Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be doing some Stucco patch work. Let me show what we got going. And here's what the materials we're going to be using today. We have a Stucco patch. I have some latex there, and we have a corner piece. It's like a mesh wire corner. The Stucco. And I'm probably gonna need some concrete screws and a few other items to patch it. And of course my toolbox, which weighs about 150 pounds. Well, let's take a look at what we're going to be doing today. As you can see, we have a corner piece on the stucco wall that basically got deteriorated, and I think the reason for it was air conditioning was put in very close to the wall, and vibration from the ground damaged that corner. Plus we had quite a few rains lately, and there was some quite a bit of water gathered together next to that air conditioning, and so I'm thinking the ground got shaken and foundation settled slightly. So to do it the right way, you need to remove all that stucco and repatch it from basically from corner to corner. But the customer just wanted quick repair, and we're just going to be patching that damaged area for him, and we let them know that the crack might reappear sooner or later unless if something done to that air conditioner, relocated or something. But for now we're just going to be patching it. Job like this, if you do it yourself, will run you about $60 maximum in materials. You do need to have certain tools, but you can get away with a drill. I'm using a grinder here just to chip off some of the cement, so I can fit the wire corner in there. And we're going to be leaving most of that stucco in place. I'm just going to be working on that particular corner. I made this video a little bit longer, that way I can show you every single step that I took to make this repair. I think it's important for me to show you guys what it takes to do this with all these little details, including of course vacuuming it, because you need to make sure the dust is completely gone before you apply stucco on repaired surfaces. I'm drilling holes on both sides because I need to tie them together with a rebar wire, and I also need some anchoring for my corner piece to be attached to. So I'm just I'm applying concrete screws on both sides. right, we are getting close to be finished here. The whole job takes about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Um, and it costs about around $60 in materials. Most of this stuff you can buy at Home Depot, Lowe's, anywhere. I think this repair should last customer for quite some time, unless a earthquake comes or any kind of heavy rain like we had for a few days. And unfortunately, they don't have the good rain gutter system, and so most of the water drains right next to the foundation. Well, it's all finished now, and we did some touch-up paint for them. And as if you can see, the finished product looks exactly what it's supposed to. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.